Okay. Goes to contestant number average na is 82. Contestant number 19.
Number 19 is from number 19, top 10. From Amado V. Hernandez Elementary School. Children, punta kayo dito sa ano. And may we invite our TWG, Sir Dodge, to join us on stage to award the certificate of recognition to Amado V. Hernandez Elementary School. Top 10. Dalawa po, dami po muna itong certificate na ibibigay po sa inyo. Dalawa po sa trainer, isa po muna sa bata. Ma'am Luella, Ma'am Sally, kindly join us, Sir Joe. Ayan, join po tayo. Mama Marika, sama na.
Okay, now let's go to 9th place. Average of 83.33. Contestant number 8.
Number 8 is from AC Lerna Elementary School. Top 9. Mama.
Habang nagre-ready sila sa picture taking, another pointers, mga trainers, coach. Sa costuming po, hindi porket uso yung ganitong design, pwede nyo na pong gamitin. Okay? Pag tribal kaya tinawag na tribal design. So, huwag natin gamitin din sa specific na dances. Okay? Iwasan niyo po yun. Pag sinabing modern barong, pwede. Diba? Eh, yung modern barong ang pinag-uusapan natin dito. So, isa po yun na aking payo. Sayang po yung yung effort at gastos.
Again, congratulations to AC Herrera Elementary School.
Okay. 8th place goes to contestant number 9.
Contestant number 9 is from Magat Salamat Elementary School. Congratulations, children. Asan ang trainer nyo? Sama. Yan. Congratulations. Stop. Ano yan? 7, no? 8. 8 po.
Okay. 7th place goes to contestant number 11.
Contestant number 11 is from Moises Salvador Elementary School. Congratulations. Top 7. Dapat tayo music dyan, mga ma'am?
Okay.
Hindi, sa inyo po mga dami lang po.
Malapit na.
Children, yung certificate natin, ibibigay ko yan sa inyo. For the meantime, yun po muna, dami po muna. Ibigay ko yan sa mga master teachers po natin. Kasi wala pa yung sign.
Okay. 6th place. 6th place goes to contestant number 16.
16.
Okay, 6th place is
16 is from Marcela Garcia Elementary School. 6th place.
So sa itsura pa lang naman sumayaw dito, napakaganda din po nila, napakagwapo, bagay ng mga guy. Okay? So, Congratulations sa lahat. And now, let's go to 5th place. 5th place goes to contestant number 5.
Number 5 is from Dr. Albert Elementary School. Congratulations!
Okay. Top 4 na tayo, top 4. Okay.
Okay, our top 4.
4th place goes to contestant number 2.
Number 2 is from AJ Atienza Elementary School.
Let's go!
4th place, congratulations!
Ulitin po namin yung ibang grupo bumaba po dahil sa costume. Sayang. Malaki kasi po ang puntos yun. 10 points po yun. Napakalaki po yun. Okay. And now, let's go to the top 3 na tayo. 3rd place. 3rd place goes to contestant number 4.
4 is from Isabela de las Vegas Elementary School.
Okay, dalawa na lang. Okay. Congratulations! Sana nandito yung principal nila, no? Sayang. Okay.
Okay, congratulations, Isabela de las Vegas Elementary School. 3rd place.
Okay. Top 2 tayo. So, dalawa na lang po. Ito, medyo... Kaya po kami pumasok sa loob. Dito kami nagka-diskusyonan. Okay? So, ilabas po namin. Review ko ng konti po. Okay. Okay. Kasi isang grupo, tama yung kanyang masuka. Okay? Kaso, medyo nagkalang doon sa costume. Yung isa naman, medyo tama, pero tumama sa costume. Doon nagkatalo. Dikit na dikit po talaga. So, sana it's a lesson learned sa ating mga trainers. Tutok tayo. Tutok. Okay? Sayang. Okay? But anyway, kung second ka, walang problema tayo. Kung first ka, huwag kang titigil. Okay? Kasi meron pa tayong laban. Kasi yung kalaban natin, handa na rin. Actually, last week po, nag-judge po ako sa Caloocan. So, alam ko na po yung kakalabanin niya po. Nakita ko na po yung kalaban na, medyo kailangan humabol tayo. Okay? So, sa mananalo, pula. Okay, let's go to second place. Second place goes to contestant number Valentine Days 14!
Oh, 14 is from F. Benitez Elementary School. Hey, congratulations, number 14 from F. Benitez Elementary School, second place.
Okay, now let's go to the champion. Okay. Dadali ng pangalan ng Maynila. Kakalabanin natin. Okay, to represent the Manila delegation. The champion goes to contestant number. Para panigurado.